Beauty is defined as a combination of qualities, such as shape, color, or form, that pleases the aesthetic senses, especially the sight. But beauty may vary in different cultures. Black is beauty, big eyes are beauty, tall is beauty, and of course, skinny is beauty. But what about those who are not black, are not tall, and not skinny? Are they not considered beautiful? In many cultures, yes, but in many cultures, no. The United States, for instance, creates the ideal woman through Photoshop media, and then creates a standard of beauty. But different cultures, such as in East Asia, consider transparent porcelain skin, big eyes, and thick dark hair as a sign of beauty. Why is that? Many Eastern Asian cultures relate dark skin as a symbol of a peasant, because peasants labored in the sun, which caused them to be more tan. Places such as India also have a similar idea of beauty for women. Throughout history, up until 1967, the British ruled over India. The English were of course white people with light-colored hair. The British have a tremendous influence over the perception of beauty in India. The British treated the darker Indians even more poorly than the lighter-toned others. Thus, these actions evolved into the thought of lighter skin contributes to beauty of women. Also, being too thin in India was not a form of physical appeal. Being too thin meant you were unhealthy and do not have enough food to feed yourself. This does not mean necessarily the more weight you have on your body, the prettier you are. It just means being too thin is not physically attractive. However, today Indian beauty is influenced by Western culture mixed in with old Indian ideals of being tall and fair-skinned. In Western culture, Miss America defines beauty. Beauty is age 17 to 24. Beauty is involvement in community, character, physical fitness, and how well a woman takes care of her face and her health. In American society, we thought many would form their own ideas of beauty, since America is a melting pot with many different cultures and backgrounds, reflecting the conflict paradigm. We thought the perception of beauty of women would create a division within society. We thought favoritism existed in society, and different culture groups in society would favor their own elite. Thus, we wanted to see if beauty is an exact pinpoint in cultures, so we decided to survey Americans on their idea of beauty, since America is a melting pot itself. Surprisingly, responses were extremely similar. They included that the beauty of women reflected a symmetrical face, eyes, a glowing smile, and health. Because of this outcome, the perception of a woman's physical beauty among people of different cultures reflects on the functionalism paradigm. Functionalism is analogous to an organism in which different parts of the body work together to create a working whole. In American society, we may have a myriad of cultures, but one thing that brings us together is how we perceive the physical beauty of women.